So in this video, we are going to discuss about supernode or combined node. And this is a given circuit. We will assume the current that is flowing through this one is I8 and this one is I6. Okay, and you can see what is combined node is there is a voltage source between these are the nodes, right? So between V3 and V2. Okay, so I can write V3 is equal to 10 plus V2. Okay, so what is V3 minus V2? V3 minus V2 is 10 volt. So this is my first equation. So in order to make this circuit as simple, I'm going to combine this V2 and V1. Okay. So at node V1, you can see there is a 12 volt that is connected across this V1. So what is V1? V1 is equal to 12. So this is I7 means I can write I7 is equal to 12 divided by 4. So that is nothing but 3 amps. Okay. So next let me take node V2. So at node V2, I can write. So this is my equation number 2. Okay. So at node V2, we can see 3 currents are going out. That is I8, I6 and 18 are going out, and 24 is coming in. Right? So I can write I8 plus I6 plus 18, that is equal to 24. So I8 plus I6 is equal to 6. So what is I8? I8 is nothing but V2 minus V1 divided by 8. Okay. V2 minus V1 divided by 8. Plus what is I6? I6 is V3 divided by 6. So here you can see you should not write V2 divided by 6. I would write V3 divided by 6. Okay. So V2 minus 8 plus V3 by 6 minus V1 by 8 is equal to 6. So what is V1? V1 is nothing but 12 volt, right? So if I solve, I will get 3 by 2. So V2 by 8 plus V3 by 6 is equal to 7.5. Am I right? Yeah. So what is 1 divided by 8? 1 divided by 8 is 0.125 V2 plus 1 divided by 6 is 0.166 V3, that is equal to 7.5. And we know that V3 minus V2, that is equal to 10. So I can write V3 is equal to 10 plus V2. So you substitute in this equation 0.125 V2 plus 1.66 V3 0.166 VT, that is equal to 7.5. One five six seven. So this is nothing but 0.291 V2, that is equal to, what is 7.5 minus 1.66? 5.84. So therefore V2 is equal to 20. Okay. So if V2 is 20 means what is V3? V3 is 30. If V3 is 30 and V1 value is 12 volt. Okay. So we need to find what is power delivered and power absorbed by the each source. Okay. So since so what are the resistance are there? 4, 8 and 6. Okay. So what are the resistance values are there? R1, that is 4, 8 and 6. 8 and 6. So these are the resistance value. And what is the current that is flowing through this one? The current flowing through this one is across the 4 volt, 4 ohm, it is 3 amps, right? So this is the current value is 3 amps. And what is V2 minus V1? V2 minus V1 divided by 8. So V2 minus V1 is 8. Okay, V2 minus V1 is 8. So divide by 8, you will get current as 1. Okay, 1 amps. And 6 volt. So V3 divided by 6. So what is V3? V3 is 30. So you will get 5 amps. So the current flowing through this one is 5 amps. So if I want to find the power, so here the power get absorbed, right? So the power get absorbed by this one is nothing but I square into R. So that is nothing but 9 into 4, that is 36. And here it is 8. And like here it is 25 into 6. What is 25 into 6? 25 into 6 is 150. Okay. So these are the power absorbed by the these three resistance. That is resistance 2 and resistance 3. Okay. So next you can see if I draw like the current is flowing like this. Okay, because it is plus and minus. So the current is flowing like this. So if that is the case, the 12 volt is the 12 volt source will deliver the power. Okay. So regarding the sources, that is 12 volt source, and next one is 18 amps and 24 amps, right? 24 amps. Next 18 amps and 10 volt. So this 12 and 24 are in same direction, right? So 12 and 24 are in same direction. Therefore, the power get delivered. So okay. So the power delivered by the sources so if the current flowing through the 4 amps, that is I7 is 3 means I7 is 3. What is I8? I8 value is 1, right? So if it is, this is 1 means the current flowing through this one is 2. Okay. So I can write 12 into 2. That is nothing but 24. There is a power ups delivered. Okay. So here also it is power delivered. So power delivered is equal to 24, that is current, into voltage. What is the voltage across V3? So voltage across V3, that is 24 amps is V3. So what is V3 now? V3 is 30. Okay. So that is nothing but 720 watts. Okay. So and you can see 18 amps is it is a power observed one. So this is nothing but I can write it as V2, right? So V2 into I18. What is V2? V2 is 20. So the power observed is I18 into 20. That is something but 360. Okay. So this is also power observed. That is 10 volt into, what is the current flowing through this one? What is I6? I6 is nothing but V3 divided by 6. What is V3 divided by 6 is 5. Okay. What does the song do? Is 1. So if this is 1 and this is 18 means the current flowing through this one is 19, right? So the current flowing through the 10 volt is 90. So it is nothing but 190 watts. So if I add this one, so if I add 36 plus 8, that is 44 plus 190 plus 360. I'll get current as power as 744 watts. That is power observed. And if you see the power delivered, that is nothing but 744 watts. So from this one, I can write the circuit. In the circuit, power observed is equal to power delivered.